Ooh, what do we have today? Well, I have a new set of Ohuhu markers to show you guys, and these were sent to me by the team from Ohuhu. So I am super appreciative of that, but these are the new blossoming pastels. So, you guys know I love pastels, but let's check this out. Okay, so it comes in a nice little canvas bag. Even says this is the Honolulu series, which they did not have on their previous canvas bags. If you've been buying them a lot, you know what I mean. It says 48 colors, and look at those. There's nothing more like satisfying than opening anything that's just all pastel, right? I don't know, maybe it's just me. Inside, we have this page protector. All of their kits come with a little page protector like this, so you could just slide it under where you're working and your marker won't bleed through. And fun fact, I actually reuse these for watercolors and use them as a palette because they're resistant. Okay, and I know hiding back here, we have pre-made swatch cards, always appreciated, and these are what I will be swatching on today, simply because some of these are in the new 320 set, but not all of them. So I'm going to swatch them on here. I'll see which ones I end up having duplicates of. Dupes aren't really a big deal though, because once I run out of the other marker, I've got a replacement. Okay, so it's 48 colors plus a colorless blender. I really like when their companies are honest about that. Because there are some that'll say 48 and then colorless blender is included. So this little one here shows us all the colors we're going to receive. I already see a couple that I know I have. But again, like I said, some are not in the 320 set. Okay, now all of their marker sets come with a pamphlet, and it'll be information about the series you're using at that time. So this is the Honolulu series in the brush and chisel. And then, if you open this, you can actually see what comes in the Honolulu series. And that's where it's right there, 320. They just released that 320. They have the Ohuhu, wow, words today. And this is one I also already have of 320. And then they talk about their other brands as well. Now, these ones down here are water-based and watercolor, not alcohol markers. All right, and then all of theirs have this color chart showing you the full range of colors. And then their little blending tutorial. Now, it still surprises me to this day, but a lot of people don't know that you can reverse the nib on the brush marker. And this has been kind of a feature of Ohuhu since they've launched, pretty much. But it hasn't always been as obvious in their catalog, so they have made it obvious here. But of course, if you don't open it, you'll never know. All right, and then the rest is in just other languages. So that's what comes in here. Let me pull out a pastel marker so I can show you. All right, so here we have the name and color code. This is light tea rose, just my example. Now they all have these little nubbies, so that because they're circular, that'll keep them from rolling on your desk. They're only gonna move if I move them. Even if it rolls that way, it's stopped by the nubs. Now, this is the chisel tip, also called broad. This is the brush tip. You'll always know because they have the silver band. And then there's the brush. All right. Now this is not the same nib as a Copic marker, so you want to keep that in mind if you're used to those types of nibs. I'll show you the chisel as well. There you go. Now the company is working on creating refills, but not all of their markers are refillable. However, if your nibs go out, you can replace your nib. So say you've reversed it once and now you're done and there's no way you can, keep going on. You can buy replacement nibs, and I will show a separate video on replacing your Ohuhu nibs. But today we want to focus on these blossoming pastels. That's the name of the set. I will leave a link in the description below. And yeah, we are going to swatch these and see what colors we get, and then what colors are new to this set specifically that we won't have in our 320 brush set. Don't compare this to the set that's the bullet and chisel. We're focusing on the Honolulu series. Okay, so let's get started. I am going to speed up the swatching process just to make it a little easier for you guys to watch. So it'll be maybe a minute for you and quite a bit for me, but I'm gonna get started. Okay, so we are all swatched up, and here are the blossoming pastel colors. So 48 pastel markers. They did include some nice grays as well, which is always nice just because you can mix your grays with other colors. And then, yeah, we have a good selection of yellows. We don't have an actual orange because orange is not pastel, but we got some peach colors in there, quite a few peaches. We have some pinks. A few of these I would say are not necessarily pastel. Some are a little bit more neon-ish, like this tender pink, but no biggie. And then we have some blues, although I would love to see a little bit more blues in this array. But we've got great selection of greens and like minty greens and turquoise colors. And then we even have some more earth tones over here, which work as peachier, the peachier pink pastels. And then I love that we have like an olivey-ish green. So you can totally blend these together and make fun, unique blends. And that's kind of the point when you're working with pastel markers. You're not going for your traditional color blends, obviously. You're going to be blending a lot of different color combinations. You may blend these purples into pinks or into blues. Now, if you're working solely with a pastel set, and you're not quite familiar with marker blending, you may find it hard to create color combinations. So I would start with 2 blends, 2 marker colors, and then work your way up as you get more comfortable. But I also suggest getting a color wheel and making sure that you're blending colors that can actually blend together as you're, learning how to blend markers. I do have a video on my channel showing how I blend alcohol markers, and it's actually with Ohuhu brand. So if you're new to blending, you can go check that out. But now let's see which of these are not in the 320 set. Whew, that took a while. I had to go between, I haven't combined both my 120 set, or sorry, my 104 set and my 216 set into one chart. So I have a chart of my 104 colors that were released from Ohuhu that was an add-on if you already have the 216 set to get you the full 320. And then I had to go through my 216 chart. So I believe, if I've looked at this correct, and I may have missed it somewhere, but I triple checked. So if you see these in your sets of the 104 or the 216, let me know. But it looks like Light Tea Rose R090 is a new color that we've added. E020, also known as Cotton Pearl. Neutral Gray 03 with the color code CG030. Very confusing how they have that, I'm not gonna lie. But I believe that's a new color if I'm reading all my color codes right. And then Cool Gray 2, number 2, yeah, is also a new. So that would be 4 colors in this set of Blossoming Pastels that are not in the 104 add-on or the 216 set, or in, you know, combination, the full 320 set that they just released. So you would get 4 colors. So that is another pink, or peachy pink, I should say. Another nice light, this would be good for fair skin tones. Another, and then 2 grays, cool grays. I know they call that neutral gray, but it's quite a cool gray. So yeah, that is what you would be missing. But if you don't have the 104 colors, the add-on set to the 216, a lot of those colors are in this. But there's also quite a few from your 216 set that are in here. So either way, say you only had that 216 set and you bought this, you would be gaining even more colors. But it just kind of depends on what you already have. I can move this out of the way now. So yeah, from what I can tell, it looks like you've gained 4 new ones if you happen to have the full 320 already. Ohuhu has over 400 marker colors. They just don't have them all in the Honolulu series yet. My contact at Ohuhu, I've been talking to them and trying to kind of figure it out. But that is what I understand, is there's 400 colors, just not all in the Honolulu series specifically. That said, eventually they will get there. That's why they've been slowly rolling out these big sets. So yeah, that is a swatching of the 48 Blossoming Pastels that you can get on Amazon. I will leave a link in the description below, but at least you know, if you have already purchased the 320 or own the 216, at least you know where you stand if you were to go and buy this set. And again, since they're not refillable, you're also stocking up. I am getting another R19, which I go through so quickly that I have no problem that it's in this set, because I needed a new one anyway, and I did not feel like buying the skin tone set. So this R19 comes in the 216 set, the skin tone set, and it also comes in this pastel set. So if you go through that color as much as I do, you'll be happy to know you have a few ways to get it. But a special thank you to the team at Ohuhu for sending these pastels over to me. I may try and color a page using this pastel set, or maybe do some pastel blends. So you guys let me know in the comments below what you would prefer, a color along or just some pastel blending ideas with markers. So until next time, everyone, take care. Bye now.